living soul is wise. Go and make disciples of all nations. Sino may trabaho nito? Hindi naman trabaho lang ng pastor to. Sabi diyan, go everyone! Believer ka ba? Go! Are you a follower of Jesus Christ? Go! Are you an ambassador of Jesus Christ? Go! Are you a student of the Word? Go! So walang kinalaman dito kung may trabaho ka o wala. Walang kinalaman dito kung bata ka o matanda. Ikaw mayaman o mahirap. Widow ka o may asawa ka. Walang kinalaman. If you are a human being, translated from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light, then you are qualified to go. It has nothing to do with your education. It has nothing to do with your color. It has nothing to do with your height, gender, age. Everyone must go. Lumabas kayo dito. Okay. This will be my last. I want you to develop a dominion wealthy mindset. Alam nyo ba, merong tatlong klaseng mindset. Poor mindset, rich mindset, dominion, and wealthy mindset. Saan kaya kayo dito? Ang poor mindset, they always pursue money. Palagi mong hinahabol ang pera. Hayaan mo ang pera ang humabol sa'yo. Hayaan mo ang mga kliyente ang maghabol sa'yo. Hirap ka na sa pagre-reject ng mga kliyente. That's the best problem that you can have in your life. Yung mga merong mayaman mindset, ang palagi nilang pinupurso, material things and possession. Bili ng bahay, bili ng kotse, bili ng mga mahaling gamit. I'm not saying that you cannot buy those things, but you do not pursue it. But the dominion in a wealthy mindset, ang mayroong pinagpala at matagumpay na pag-iisip, ang pinupurso nila ay purpose. Ang pinupurso nila ay godly wisdom. Ang pinupurso nila ay knowledge from God through the Word of God. Because if you have wisdom, knowledge from God, then you have the ability and the power to create wealth.